Another two shader is about the fire and flame to create fire and flame shaders, something like that. Interesting part about that is it has an animation. Right click and insert animation. You can see it here, or you can open in a new window. Here you can change the color of your flame, but this gradient is nice for creating fire. Or you can give it to the displacements with black and white codes. Frequency U is for changing the width of frequency, in changing the width and height. For example, make it a 5. We have more thicker or thinner flame from here. Just scaling in a U or scaling in V direction, something like that. T frequency is time frequency. You can make the speed of flame more. For example, 5. As you can see, it's more speed. Turbulence, you can change the turbulence of, for example, 5. Now you can see more turbulence in your fire. It's very simple. Another shader is flame. It's another type of the fire. The same gradient. T frequency is about, right click to animation. It's about speed of that, you can see, and more turbulence or less. Nice. You can see we have more turbulence of more wavy shape on our flame. That's it. You can give it to another channel, but black and white with a displacement or alpha.